Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick to share with you. One that's the normally station never and see. This is Progress the Analyst, and here I keep you updated. Now, we are about to listen to a very important message. Oh my goodness. I don't really want to talk too much. I want you to listen to this message, and I'll be right back.
Who is fighting to make sure that this struggle never ends, because that's what the Fulani want, and that's why they knows what they are doing. And if you know, like I said, when we started this platform, I said this platform is where the truth, the holy, we are not here for stagger. We're just here to explain to the world that we already Biafrans. You know, when you people are saying, no, we are now, we have declared. So if they felt that they can be able to get that Biafra, we are waiting. But let me just tell you, Biafrans, oh, we have more. Exactly what they went to tell Mazi Nnamdi Kanu when he was in prison is the same thing. So what I want to tell you is that focus in this Biafra. It's not about Dr. Ngozi Orabez, our DPM. It's about us. She always said that. What are you for to fight for this new country? What is your legacy that you put for Biafra? That tomorrow your sons and your daughters, your great-granddaughters, your great-grandsons, your generation will say, in this time while we get this Biafra, my father, my mother was there. No matter the storm, I want people to go to history of South Africa. Without Undibo, South Africa will never be anything. That apartheid could have not. It is during the time of Mary that when she comes to Nigeria to sing, they will give him all information. I remember then, we used to go and carry all the clothes in our village to give in South Africa. This apartheid, this South Africa that is treating us like a shit. Every nation are treating us like a shit. We ourselves are treating us like a shit. Let me ask you, Biafra, if finally this Biafra, we got ourselves home, what will you say to your brother? Is it not the same Biafra you are looking for? You will watch now, all the people who have money, who's supposed to make difference, they are sitting there waiting. Not that they cannot do it. Because one thing our India Biafra Nama will ebe mezichare mezi ha bia. And when they come, they use that influence and money and said, you are not qualified because you are not taking what it takes to go. Now they don't do that. That's why I want to tell Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, those that have suffered to make sure that Biafra come, whether you are knowledge, whether you are educated, whether you are not educated. Educated is just for the Britain. You know where you can. Those people who have their money, those people who have their knowledge, they will follow you. Because you were there when there is nothing. You crumble, you clean the glass, you did everything until this surface. As far as your hand and your mind, you are clean and you are pure for Biafra. You will follow and be testified. Today, Ojukwu is remembered. Where are the Ojukwu family? But he single-handed did Biafra. Today, Effiong is remembered. He died for this. Today, our honorable, the prophet of his kind in the whole world, I will say it, your Majike, the Dogu, which is our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. When he came, people can you imagine? A man on his wedding day was wee on his head. They call women to pee. Who would take that rubbish? He would not give up. But in all these things, he still stand. Now it's 5 years, in less than 2 months now. We are in April. And in June, Mazi will be how many years? He's in prison. First 2 years, they almost kill him. Python dancer. Are you forgotten? Why now forget our face? We Biafra, we are like a marching dog. Soreba Esola. Anyway, if you have forgotten, you start following. You don't go to the history. I don't know if any of you, days or morning or weeks, you go to listen to Ohamadike words. When you listen to it, you stand. Today, Ohamadike is standing for us. What we are here is that this one said this. I am not after that. What I'm after is what can I do for my nation to start creating themselves and start anything. But I say, go, you will turn a Biafra land. You go to this, you go inside and start. We don't even look why the government, look why the Janjaweed are not allowing our crop to live, because they know that immediately we start growing that farm. You know, in abroad, my brother, you people know that the richest man in abroad, in overseas, the farmer. But because they make us to forget that a poor man is a farmer, then we now left it and start carrying portfolio without anything. When we go to the district, they will say, do you remember why today Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did not enter politics? Because if you go there with genuine heart, when you are coming, they will remove you. Either snake enter your stomach. My dear, a lot of things has followed up. I don't want to tell it in the district. You know it. What they can do. That intention you have, you will not. They will cover you with all their dissing, their cow. You go and listen to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And now, Chukwu Okike Abiama gave you Biafra. We have finally these two young men that are supposed to live. They have never done any criminal offense. They have a family. Our PM, where is he? He is in that the same place because of the people he believed that they are going to protect them. Do you know? Have you gone to Finland? There is a place they call this man. All the Finland was a bush like Biafra, but this man single-handed did roads, create a road. You see a lot. There was a day we were traveling. The man who were driving, we were seeing Mazi Simon Ekpa's this thing. They said this is the person who did the road. Almost so that he was the transport. He was the one managing all the Finland transport as a director. Do you talk about the politics? This man entered, did everything, change this Finland. How many are there in the Finland? Thank God my brother Zoro. That's why I say he should wait. But at the end, for you to see, there is nothing you can do to a white man that he will value you. Because you know why. As far as you are walking to a white man, he will be laughing. But his back is to stab you. Any little thing he have is to stab you. And now we gave them the platter of gold. We wrote those that wrote against him. Say he's the cause of our destiny. Now, all they did, they say, you are fighting for your people and your people are fighting you. Now, they are protecting him because they don't want him to lose, to go to that Janjaweed Nigeria. Let them destroy him because they know the value he has given. And now we carry our lives, go and meet him. Then what do you want him to say? He did it in Kodo because he really want that word. I hear that he said we should try all possible means to make sure that he comes out. He comes out. And that's why I stand for the truth. It doesn't matter how you bully me. It doesn't matter how you talk to me. It doesn't matter how you fake me. It doesn't matter how you betray me. It doesn't matter how you lie against me. They have done it to our Ohamadike. They have done it to our prime minister, even when he was around. Why will I stop? And why will you give up? Why? Because this one is saying, if you know the truth shall set you free. What I am begging our people now is not only to come here and talk. In your individual in Biafra land, what can you do to help Biafra now? Is it in agriculture? Is it in those people you know they know how to do Trump? Those people you know they know how to do more. Those people you know they know how to do. Don't let Fulani again to come. Imagine, and a man, they will go out and bring him. He will carry a 40 kf of to be an a Biafran that people, as our Homadike said, that is the last miracle on the earth, and where other Africans will come. You can see how a young man in Biafran in African is demolishing the France. You see what he's doing. They are just a small distance. They were able to grab it. Now they are building aeroplane. Now they are building estates. Now they are building. What we are doing here is that we are fighting. We will gather money. We will send. We don't even have investment in Biafra land. And that's what we will start now, having that investment. If we know we want to stand. Because this €1 €2 1,000, 3,000, we're not go nowhere. It is time we started doing companies, secret distance, so that we can be able to go. Look at what we call Onyama now is crying. You will see when Biafra established, they are the one who is going to come and start using that money to express us. You see Innocent Moto, you see all of them. When this thing established, you see how they are sitting there. When it come, you will see them now. And you that suffer, they will kick you out, or they will label you with one thing or the other. And before you know it, because the word is what they hear, they don't even investigate. They will start turning against you. Biafrans, we are good to go. Many are called, few are choosing. I always tell you people, if you are there, because that's what the Janja will. You can watch what is happening to Britons now. They say that Kate have a cancer, and that is what they use in holding the words. Before you know it, you see how they are treating their own son. Their mother died and left. The same woman who caused the death of Diana, which is Camilla, is now. Have you seen? You say, God, you are injustice. You see how she's operating, enjoying. But this poor boy, what did he do? Just because he married a black guy, that his father is a white. And this girl is shining. But these are the people who say, forgive your brother, one another. These are the people who say King James is there. They have torn us like, punching back. That's what they are doing in Britain. Look at them. Look at the people who gave you, who felt, and they are the people who our oil is going, who has our gold, who has 95% of everything that is happening in Biafra land. That's why I want to let you know that oil is not our problem. We have a lot of resources that even these people, China has taken over. A lot of people, Indians has taken over. And we are here fight instead of us to constrain and see whether we can get many. We are all in diaspora, different countries. Let's see how we can be able to be, aligning ourselves. What are we going to do? Get in touch with your state. Get in touch with your country. What is the problem? Get in touch and let us start, digging and making this. Mazenam de Carlo come out now. What will you do? He said, first of all, he will sit down. Even if he said, let us start, we will keep that. He will watch. They are going to watch. This is a lifetime. It's not that when we were in analog. We are in a digital. We are in a digital where everything will be showing. And care is not taken. You people will see, these people are even in there. There will be a time they will give them time to watch what is going on. I want to tell you, Biafrans, this is the time. Every Nigerian forces within Biafra land are all terrorists, which is by DPN, which you people know. I want to tell you the secret of if you don't know. You know this AG. If you go and get Mirage or the shit of AG, I'm not saying no where I got to Chaneba Diabalak, every place I know, you see these people will leave you because most of them are Muslim. Most of them, this is the thing that can defy them. If they see it, you will see they will start running. Put it in their motor. Put it in that camp. Spread it. And before you know, they will leave that country because you understand. If you see the coward that don't go even shout. Send one of the Biafran, our angel. They will go there and harvest them. Let them go now. That 48 AK, this thing they used to hang on now. Not when you kill one, you will start exposing it. I've killed it. You are endangering yourself, your village. Now, do it, because these people, they say that Nyamiri, we are the Nyamiri, the Dondoya. We know nothing. And they know something. If a blind man can lead somebody, I think we say we are learned, we are educated, we are this. When an Awusa man, a full animal, we still remain that traditional. He will wear his jankitina, he will wear his everything for you to say nothing they cannot. But you, when you are going to their meeting, you will wear the suit. They will say Nyamri Boro Obanka, Yanachi Waka. They will see, you see it. You cannot even wear your tradition ishago. When they bow in ishago, everybody is now wearing the same thing. Who is fooling who? Then we are here fighting this one. This one is a liar. When the nation are watching us and they are continuing seeing if these people are right. You see now, this is now. Now we are in a season of, this is a new country, a new nation, a born. How do you nurture a born baby? You nurture it with everything that you have dearly, so that it will not enter cold. So that so he will become, when you come, you will be saying, even they say go, you will say no. Because they will put powder, they will dance. That's why I want this Biafra to come. Nam, nem, omaka, nurses. If you know what you can do, my own brother, on last week now, Monday is a week, I name him Mazi Namdekalo and Mazi Simon Ekpa. That's what I used to say. Thank you for fighting this Biafra. Thank you for making today that my children are not going to call terrorists. Are you hearing it? That is the love. If you see the passion I have for these two, father and son, that has given me a hope to stand and fight, that have made me my sleepless night. I lost more than 10 jobs every time because I want to stand. But as I lost, God gave me another one. And before I say, look, I want to tell you, Biafrans, in Obodo Yibo, as far as you know what you are doing it the best, you know what to do. Even if they sack you today, the next day you get a job. That is what I'm telling Biafran. When the world starts seeing what we are doing, when the world starts seeing, you say, I don't have any money. Now, even with cement, you go and pack sand, manure, get it, start harvesting yam, start harvesting coconut, start harvesting everything that, because that is where the hungry it is, that we are going to the north. Potato. Start harvesting it. Anything that you felt that it within that compound you can create a lot of things. 10 bags of cement, you can use it to create a yam that you will start selling. Is it carrots? Is it potato? Is it pepper? Whatever. It's not the time where you have now. You are looking for a big land farm for you to start. Are you sowing? Let us start doing this thing we call it house building. Handwork is what the government here are eating in abroad. No matter how university you go, you have 1 year to go to. This handwork, you must have a handwork you will do, because that's why you see every of them are running, because they believe that it's only when you have a color, you are a university graduate. Now they have polytechnic. We have forgotten about polytechnic. I schooled university, secondary school. After that, my mother said, all of this, I will go to commercial school. Now, this typewriting you are seeing is from all these things that we met, all these computers. Technical schools was the best schools in the world, but we have forgotten it in Biafra land. I just want to tell Biafra, I'm not here Every time I come here, I'm not here to fight my brother. I'm not here to fight my sister. I want us to get over this thing. Just like today, I didn't go to work. Before I will go tomorrow, they will pile, because you know why? And when I go, I will walk like no man because I don't care. I do it perfectly and go. Are you doing your job in Biafra perfectly? Or you are here. When you hear from this place, you go here. When you see your brother doing fine, you start envying. When you see your sister doing, we are not here. If you want, carry your best. Go to your own county, your own country, your own state, your own any place you can go so that you create a destiny. There is rural villages they are looking for how to develop. With anything you can go there. This space is good, but we need to start doing something in Biafra land because there is hunger. This Easter is coming now. We like religion because I will not call it anything. Everybody, all the money you spend, you want to go to village and start making, big girls and big women, they will spread money. At the end, you come and start beginning. The same thing in December, that is what we have been for. And at the end, in the village, when you are going, everywhere is dried. Now, if you give somebody in Biafra land 2,000, 1,000, it will be like you have given him. What a shame in Biafra land. They have turned this upside, punch and bitter. The Biafra we need. People, if you talk about them in Biafra land again, they will say, you are wasting your time. You are wasting your time. Is it? There is one who has been so distant. I called him, he said, no. Anytime Biafra call, whatever you people want, let us do. You see, they are starting withdrawing themselves because too many betrayal, because too many this, because too many that. Is it what we are going to stay to be doing? I have decided to move forward. I have decided to help my people. And that's why this God-given talent God has given me, I will use it to make sure that the 40 state of Biafra, that they will get something. In life, they will say, this woman, she have imparted in Biafra land. She has done a lot. I don't want, like I said, I don't need a position. All I need is to serve my people. And I still maintain it. I can't quit because if you quit, you're a coward. I am not a coward. If Mazis Simon Ekpa, our prime minister, did not quit, if Mazis Nnamdi Kanu did not quit, if Ojukwu did not quit, and above all, Effion did not quit, and all our mothers who said that woman, say, even if it is one person on Biafra, and Biafra must come. What are we here for? What are we here for? Leave them, let them do. You only come here, the one you need to clear. You clear, but we move on. This platform, we must every day to say at least once in a week, one day, let us have a day for us to start showcasing what we can do for Biafra land. If it is a day of health, we bring the people. If it is a day of farm, we bring if whatever, so that if it is, we need to start creating ourselves. Victory at last. Where I want to show Biafran, I want to start doing something. We continue. Why we fell in this struggle is because when we started this, we didn't have any investment in Biafra.
So, in case you did not remember, the name she called now is her new YouTube channel, Liberation Victory at Last. So you can check on her and also follow her on her YouTube channel. So thank you everyone for listening to this wonderful message. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst. I will keep updating you on all the latest happening. Thank you and bye for now.